You got the job, you did the math on your salary, and then your first paycheck hits your account $600 short. Where did that money go? Let's find out.
Hey, I'm Ed. Every week, I break down one confusing adult thing school forgot to teach you. Today, your paycheck. There's a huge difference between your salary, what's called gross pay, and what actually lands in your bank account. That gap has a name: deductions. Let's break down exactly what's in it. First chunk, federal income tax. This is based on how much you earn and what you claimed on your W-4. That form you filled out on day one without really reading it. The more allowances you claim, the less gets taken out now. But if you claim too many, you could owe money at tax time. Next, FICA. That's a flat 7.65% of your paycheck. 6.2% goes to Social Security, 1.45% to Medicare. This one doesn't change no matter what you claim on your W-4. It's the money that funds retirement and healthcare programs. And yes, it's mandatory. Then there's state income tax. And this is where it gets messy, because it depends entirely on where
different
you live.
tax rules.
Some states, like Texas or Florida, charge 0 state income tax. Others take a real bite. Check your state's rate so this number doesn't surprise you. If you signed up for health insurance or a 401k during onboarding, those come out too, before you even see the money. The good news? Your 401k contribution isn't lost. It's yours, just growing somewhere else for your future self. Add all of that up, and that's the gap between your gross pay and your net pay, the number that actually hits your account. So next time you get your pay stub, here's how to actually read it. Step 1, find gross pay at the top. That's your full salary for the period. Step 2, scroll to deductions, that list we just covered. Step 3, net pay at the bottom. That's your real number. Common mistake number 1, never updating your W-4. If you get married, have a kid, or pick up a second job, that form needs updating, or you could owe a big check at tax time. Mistake number 2, skipping your 401k match. If your company matches even 3% and you're not contributing, you're leaving free money on the table every single paycheck. So that $600 gap? Now you know exactly where it went. And more importantly, which parts you actually control. Quick recap. Federal tax, FICA at a flat 7.65%, state tax if your state has one, and any benefits you signed up for. That's the whole gap explained.
If this helped, subscribe. Every week, I'm breaking down one more thing school never explained. And drop a comment. What's the next confusing adult thing you want decoded? See you next week.